Welcome to my channel. Car brakes are not working. What to do? 1. Stay calm and don't panic. Keep a firm grip on the steering wheel and stay focused to take quick and safe actions. 2. Pump the brake pedal. If your car has traditional brakes, pump the brake pedal rapidly and firmly to try and build pressure in the brake lines. 3. Downshift to a lower gear. Gradually shift down gears, if you have a manual transmission, or switch to low gear, L, or sport mode, S, in an automatic transmission to slow the car down. 4. Use the emergency brake, handbrake. If the regular brakes fail, slowly pull up the handbrake or press the electronic parking brake while keeping control of the vehicle. 5. Look for a safe escape route. Try to steer toward an open road, emergency lane, or grassy area to avoid collisions. 6. Use engine braking. Lift your foot off the accelerator completely and let the engine's natural resistance slow the vehicle. 7. Warn other drivers. Turn on your hazard lights, honk the horn, and flash your headlights to alert others of your emergency. 8. Try rubbing the car against a barrier. If necessary, gently rub your car along a guardrail, curb, or soft barrier to create friction and slow down. 9. Avoid turning off the engine until stopped. Do not turn off the ignition while moving, as this can disable power steering and make controlling the vehicle harder. Thank you for watching.